Ooh, that looks very nice. So what we've got is the helmet with the comms, and we've got the cable that goes from the helmet to the radio. I myself have a Baofeng UV5R, so that will fit into that. This goes into the comms headset. Very nice. And this is an NAC reference cable, NAS 2000C Kenwood, Y compatible. Now, how does this work? That's a nice cloth bag for it. Pull on that, and comes out like so. Yep, no tears or damage as I can see. So that goes out of the way there. However, if I want to put a camera GoPro mount on this, that obviously will hit it. So maybe on the side or something. We'll have to look into that. Right, so you've got the headset there. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, so just a few points. A beautiful looking helmet. I love the ivory shiny shell. NAC intercom. Headset is beautiful. This is the more expensive headset with the thicker earmuffs, if you will, which provide a further 6 dB than the standard ones. I think it's 37 dBs of noise attenuation. The paramotor motor noise engine can get pretty loud, obviously. It's a nice little icon there. 3M Peltor headset. Can't quite make that out. What does that say? X5P3 EN966. I suppose that's the model number for it. But I've just tried them on. Very, very comfortable. And what I really like about this, when I go paramotoring, I always forget to put earmuffs, and then the engine noise is quite bad. But what you've got in here is you've got these things where you push them in and they clip in tight over the ears, and then you pull it out, so you can listen to, if you're on the ground, you want to talk to somebody, you don't have to take this off. So that's pretty good. I had the actual earpiece that came with the Baofeng UV5R, and I tried that underneath my previous helmet, and I could not make out a single word somebody was saying to me. With this, you can actually hear them much louder, and you can talk to them as well with this headset, which is right next to your lips, with the muffler, wind muffler there, so that the other person on the other side of the radio can hear you as well. So I should have a lot more pleasurable flying with this helmet. All in about £300, I think, 300 and something pounds. Very happy with it. It's worth the investment, I think, if you're serious about flying, which I feel I am. So here you have it. Very, very smart, and I'll test it out and give some feedback on it. Thank you. Okay, I just thought I'd add a bit on where this is the Baofeng UV5R. On this side here, where does that go? That goes, right, so that goes in there. This is the pinouts shape on the XLR type, or the DIN connector, and it's keyed, as you can see. So let's try and put that in the right way around. And that clicks in nicely. So there you have it. That's the setup there. And you can clip that on, hands-free talking, using this button here. Press that to remotely activate the mic, and you can talk. But only if you've got a license, of course. Cheers. Right, this is what it looks like, guys. This is the setup, so you could have that going. The wire could be going into your t-shirt. Clip it on. Smart looking helmet. Just have this almost touching your lips, and listening to the radio, it is so clear, I can't tell you. Very, very clear. Look at the size of those muffs. They really do attenuate the sound of the engine. They would do. And the sound is very clear. I can understand what the other person is saying. So yeah, highly recommended. Much better than the setup I had before with the older helmet and using the earpiece when I couldn't understand a word and the other side couldn't understand a word either with that. So that's what it looks like. Very nice helmet. Can't wait to use it. Cheers.